video. Woo! No better to start this vlog with some PR. Guess who sent your girl some stuff? Good molecules. I'll wait. If you don't know this brand, it's like a skincare brand, and I love this brand. Like, I was literally about to purchase this, and then I realized, I checked my email. I was like, oh my gosh, they sent me a package. Never tested the animals. Y'all, they sent me a lot of products. Got me a brightening toner, discoloration correcting serum. What? Overnight exfoliating treatment. I can't wait to put this on my face and try it out because I've been wanting some of these products, y'all. So thank you again, Good Molecules. I can't wait to use these products. I'm probably gonna do a skincare routine after I use it for some time. I'm gonna really just test out these products first before I let y'all know what I like personally. Really hope it doesn't break me out, but I'll be honest and let you guys know the real spiel about these products. But I heard it's so good. I've heard good things about Good Molecules, and especially the fact that they never test on animals. Like, never. So that was the first introduction to this weekly vlog. I have so much content I need to upload, like it's actually insane. But I don't want to upload every single day, so I'm trying to space it all out.
So what's the chase?
3 real pieces?
Yeah.
How many pieces?
This one.
I think it was that.
This looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow. Hey y'all, so today is a whole nother day. I'm about to meet up with my friend Henry, and then after that I'm going to be going to church. My friend Chelsea invited me to this church panelist type of vibe, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing today. But in the meantime, the girl package just came in and we're going to unbox it on camera. Alright, so this is what I got in my box. I got chess. I'm supposed to be playing my friend Ibrahim on chess. So yeah, Ibrahim, if you're watching this, get ready. And I got my workout gloves because my trainer, he was like, I need to get some gloves. Ooh. What's this called? Waist trainer? Y'all know how it is. It's time to get my stomach snatched out.
It's out the group chat, so.
Today is video every day.
A lot of gangs. We're on the train. We're on the way to DC.
So guys, we just arrived.
I feel like I'm gonna die, Dad.
Wearing today, Henry. Give us some, you know, OOTD.
So I have on pretty little thing in it.
Pretty little thing in that.
Pretty little thing in it. Dolls Kill. Thrifted.
Shin, right here.
Yeah.
These jeans are like thrifted. And then like these nicey shoes, like
Wow.
And then this bag.
Kanye.
Wow. Y'all, this dress is made out of real money, I believe. Do y'all see the detail of this dress? It's really mad. It's really crazy. This one, look at the detail of this dress. Wear any of these clothes to the Met Gala.
To the Met Gala.
Pick one.
I would say coming to Africa. Oh wow, this feels really authentic. And like.
You think it's real?
Yeah. Thank you.
What do you think about the museum?
I like it. I think it's like a calming energy. It's a calming energy, but like there's a lot to see. And I feel like when you come to museums, you're just looking. What do you think that exhibit was about for real? Like the fashion of Africa?
I don't know, because I didn't really get. Well, I got fashion based on the clothes, but like the storytelling, I was confused.
Yeah.
It was like rushing through the wind, and then you see an outfit that showcase.
And then you're dwelling.
And you're dwelling.
I don't know.
I want
like
the story.
Maybe it's up to us to figure out what that story is. I feel like that's what art really is, like coming up with your own, whatever comes to your own, was it interpretation?
Yeah. Y'all, I'm already tired.
Well, we're just getting started.
Okay guys, so we are done.
This is my content list now.
Like period.
Off limits.
Y'all heard that first. You got some good pictures? You like them?
I love them. I love
and
them.
I love my pictures too. So
hey, goodies followers. Follow me
at
Henry B Styles. Henry with an I. B Styles.
If you haven't already streamed her latest song, what are you doing? I'm gonna put all her information down below. Stay tuned.
So got a Caesar salad with some sweet sauce.
This is what your salad looking like. It's my salad. It's my drink. Island green. This is hers. And then she got chips. Now on my way to go to Chelsea's event. It's like a church event that she's doing. Or her church is having, I should say. I'm supposed to get there at 6 o'clock, and guess what time it is, y'all? It's at 7. Like right now it's 7:18. And I just feel so bad. Like it's not even funny. But it wasn't even my fault. It wasn't even like, oop, now you're gonna know I didn't put on my seatbelt. It wasn't even my fault though. The train took forever. The train took forever, so we just gonna save that because it's a long story, but so right now we're doing a blind date. Yeah, it's a video.
Test. Wagwan people, my name is Kenny. It's a pre-date interview. We're here speed dating, blind dating. Let's get it.
Let's get it. Are you excited to see who's behind you?
You're laughing. If I turn around now and I mess up this whole game.
Nah.
How do I know that I found my calling or purpose in life, and can I have more than one?
Well, that's a really loaded question, but I think one thing that is bigger than your purpose is your relationship with Christ. So I think where you will find your purpose, where you will find direction, where you'll find your husband, where you'll find your wife, is in intimacy with Christ. So
Hey guys, so it's a whole nother day. Yeah, so today I'm going to a friend of mine birthday celebration, and the theme is called fashion. The theme is fashion forward, so you gotta come with some fashion sense, you feel me? So I'm wearing this earring. I don't know why my face is a little oily. We're gonna have to fix that with Vloggy. But I'm wearing my earrings. I'm wearing this top. Y'all see this top? Like, this top makes me want to just stand like this. Stand like that. And I'm wearing these, so I have like overalls on, but I'm dropping the overalls because it's not even that. Content time. Just her outfit details. Yeah, take this in. Yeah, look close on the earrings. Yes. So this is her outfit details. Yeah, and do a little spin. Yeah. The place we took the pictures at. The place is so bomb. There goes my sister. Like, this place is really bomb, y'all. I'm gonna put the location of the scenery in the description down below. But yeah, make sure you take your next flicks here. And this is in DC. Not bad at all. Perfect light, all that. So guys, we are at our second location of the day, the one that we actually know the time.
You did it?
No, Nigeria.
What?
Let's talk about her hair. Alright, y'all.
What the heck?
Let's get inside. Let's get inside first.
Do that so bad.
Okay, y'all, that's my outfit. That's how you do it. Take your content. Okay, John. Come on. Alright, y'all, we just left the party, so now Your girl's ready to go home because I am tired.
Who's actually tired today?
Hey guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. So my friend Ibrahim is hosting a game night / pool party. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off when I get in the car because my edges needs to be edging. Got my swimsuit on. This is from the last collection from on eBay. And this is what I have on. Something cute, something chill, you know, just some chill, whatever. And I got on these shoes. Plus I got like my beach bag because I brought game so I can bust everybody's when I get there, because why not? We're playing a whole bunch of games. Hey guys. This is Chelsea. What do you have, a shoulder camera?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're wet though.
Very wet actually because it's raining. So. Hi, my name is Vanessa. Some people call me V or Nessa. I know Giddy from high school, from junior year, senior year, I don't know, but we hung out and we got close. So yeah.
Yeah.
Say hi to Giddy.
I know Goody through my cousin Soloid, and now Goody's my friend. And she's the best time ever. So Period.
My name is Wanda. Some people know me as Jasmine. How did I know Goody? I met Goody in high school, and we used to get on ASA together. We was in class together. You know, we became real cool. You know, we became friends. And I was like, yeah. Hey guys, my name is Fusha, and Hey guys, my name is Fusha.
And I'm Solo.
And I know Goody from Largo High School. We went to high school together, and she is such a sweetheart.
And I know goodness because she used to be my ex.
Whatever this man's about to say, it's a lie.
My ex, she was very problematic.
Oh yeah, I'm AD. I know Goody because I was driving one time and I seen her running for the bus.
Why do y'all try to play with me on my camera?
I seen her running for the bus. She almost missed the bus. Sorry, no. All right, let me tell y'all the truth. I know Goody from ASA. She used to be what, captain, modeling, dance, whatever. She did it all. So I met her as Gifty because she's gifted.
Behind the scenes of TikTok videos.
Period. This one, right? Yeah. Like that. Yeah. And then
Good, you have a nice eyebrow.
yeah.
You did a bad job.
I did a wonderful job.
You did a bad job too. You were the only good one out the bunch. You the only good one. You definitely did a bad job. You did a terrible job. You're throwing ice and hot water.
I'm just gonna put my...
Surrender! 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 This is part 2 of the pool party.
Yeah, I know. Come on.
You want me to start?
No.
What's good, y'all? Happy 4th.
4th of July.
This is my last 4th of July with titties.
Bro, hold on, wait, let me record it real quick.
Follow. Okay, y'all, so we about to play Uno.
Hit it up with Uno.
We should draw 2 for wasting all of our time. Yellow. Your turn. Come on. 5.